welcome to Crafty Box. In this video we're going to show you a cool build, and the best part is that it can be made using items from around your home in under 10 minutes. I'm Ollie.
And I'm Evie.
And today we're going to be making a paper ninja throwing star, or Shuriken, from Carmen San Diego, just like this one here.
For this you are going to need 2 pieces of paper. These can be plain or coloured, a ruler and some scissors. Let's get started.
Cool. So what you want to do first is you want to get your 2 pieces of paper like so. Let's throw this ninja star out of the way. I'm going to fold it down to make a square shape. Like so. And then you run your finger along the edges. Like that. And you want to do that for both pieces of paper. And once you've done that, what you then need to do is you need to take out off these excess pieces here. So Evie, do you want to use the scissors and I'll use this ruler, like so. Okay, so then when you've done that, what you want to do is you want to open them up, and ideally you want to have the diagonals facing into each other, so you've got a bit of a pyramid shape here. Once you've done that, you want to fold them in half from top to bottom, making sure you've run your finger along the edges. And once you've done that, Evie's one step ahead, but you want to open them up and fold them in half, the top half again, so top to bottom, and then bottom to top. And you run your fingers along the edges so that they're nice and smooth. And then again, you fold it in half. So you should have a thin straight piece. I'm just going to do it to the other section now. Open it up. Fold it in half top to bottom, fold it in half again, bottom to top, and then fold it in half. So you should now have 2 pieces like so. How are you getting on?
Good.
Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to get one of the pieces and fold it half sideways, like so, and leave that there. And the other piece, fold in half, sideways, like so. Okie dokie. And then once you've done that, you want to open them up so they're nice and flat. We'll leave that on there for now. What you want to do is you want to do the left hand side down, so into the middle, and pull it down. So you want to take this left hand side and pull it down. That's right. And then you want to take the right hand side, once you've done that, and fold it upwards, like so. Let's make sure we get those edges nice and flat, because that's going to make it easier in the long run. So once we've done that, I'm going to leave that to one side, just there. That's right. And then for this one, what you want to do is, you want to do the left hand side up this time. That's right. So in the middle, left hand side up. That's why we need to make sure that we crease them in. There we go. Left hand side up, flatten it down, and then right hand side down. So we should now have 2 pieces that look like this. How are you getting on? Make sure you flatten the edges. Okay. So let's put them together like that, and what we're going to do is we're going to flip them over. So now they're facing outwards. Yeah? Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this top corner and fold it down into itself. Like so. That's right. And take this bottom right hand corner. Oh sorry, bottom left hand corner. No, yeah, it's bottom right hand corner. So bottom right hand corner and fold it into itself again. It's been a while since I've done one of these. There we go. How are you getting on?
Good.
Okay, now before we move on to the next piece, we're going to take this bottom corner and fold it up. And take the top corner and fold it down. And we'll have a little piece that looks like that. Okay, now let's leave it to one side. You do. There you go. So we'll leave it to one side. Now we're going to take this piece. Okay? So just leave it there. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to do the same thing again, but top right hand corner and fold it down. Make sure we flatten it. That's right. And we're going to take bottom left hand corner and fold it up. Like so. Looks like a bit of a lightning bolt. And I'm going to fold them up and fold it down. Looking really good here, well done. So we should now have two pieces that look like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to take this right hand side one and flip it over. So it's like so. That's right. And what we want to do is we want to intersect each other like so. So it forms like a bit of an X shape. You see that? Okay. That's right. So for the first step, what I want to do is we want to lift this little flap up here and fold this top one down. Okay. And then we're going to lift this flap at the top here. We're going to lift it up and fold this bottom right hand one up into it like so. How are you getting on?
Good.
Okay, so when we've done that, we're going to flip it over. Now this piece here needs to fold into this little seam here. So you might need to lift it up slightly so we can push it in. Like so. And same with this little corner here. We're going to fold it over and push it into this seam at the top. And there we have it. Might need to do a little bit of rearranging, flattening down, and there you have it. One ninja star. Do you need some help, Evie?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Let's have a look. You've done a really good job there. So let's lift that up and fold it in. And there you have it. Another ninja star.
Bah!
Please remember not to throw these at anybody, as it could hurt, but you can make some paper targets or use cans and tins. Now if you like this video and for your chance to win one of our free giveaways, click on the subscribe button below and drop a comment in the comments section. We would love to see some of your builds and recommendations on what to do for future videos. Up top! Bye!